chapter is symmetry. What is symmetry? The state of having two halves that match each other exactly in size and shape. Two halves that match each other exactly in size and shape are called symmetrical figures. Then what difference between symmetrical figures and congruent figures? In case of congruent figures, I have told you that two geometrical figures which have same size and same shape exactly. But in case of symmetry, two halves that have same size and same shape. Thus we can say that two symmetrical figures are also congruent to each other. Now we shall study about some English alphabets which have one line symmetry, which have two line symmetry, and also some English alphabets which have no any line symmetry. One by one I am going to write. The alphabets having one line symmetry is A, B, C, D, E, K, M, V, and maybe other one. And which type of line symmetry? There exists. A has one vertical symmetry, B has one horizontal symmetry, C has one horizontal symmetry, D also has one horizontal symmetry. E is symmetrical through horizontal, K is symmetrical through horizontal, and M is vertical symmetrical, and V is also vertical symmetry. Now there are some English alphabets which have two line symmetry. Now the English alphabets having two line symmetry. That is H, I, X. How? In H there is one horizontal symmetry and one is vertical symmetry. In case of I, one vertical symmetry and one horizontal symmetry. That means half of its vertical symmetries are identical and also half of its horizontal symmetries are identical. X has one horizontal symmetry and one vertical symmetry. Thus we can say H, I and X have two line symmetry. Now there are also some English alphabets which have no any symmetry. The English alphabets which have no line symmetry. The English alphabets which have no any line symmetry is, there are so on like J, L, P, R, and maybe other one. After then I will say the geometric figures The geometric figures having one line symmetry is kite. Kite has one line symmetry and that one is vertical symmetry. 1 minute. In case of kite, its adjacent sides are equal. This one too. Symmetry that was by vertical. One line symmetry in kite. The next one, the geometric figures having two line symmetry is rectangle. Is rectangle. In rectangle there are two line symmetry. One is horizontal and second one is vertical. Two halves are identical and also two halves are identical. Now geometric figures which have three line symmetry. Geometric figures which have three line symmetry is equilateral triangle. Geometric figures having three line symmetry is equilateral triangle. One symmetry, second and third. There are three symmetry. If one by one I will write, then this is first, this is second, and this one is third. Equilateral triangle has three line symmetry. Then the geometric figures which have four line symmetry is that square having four line symmetry is square. What is square? Square is a regular polygon having four sides. What is regular polygon? Regular polygon means all the sides and angles are equal. Then the polygons are called regular. And for symmetry, 1, 2, these two, 3, these two, and 4. Square has four line symmetry. Now the other one, how many line symmetry does a line has? How many line symmetry does a line has? If there is a line of any length, then how many line symmetry will it have? It has one symmetry. line has one symmetry. Again, how many line symmetry does an angle has? An angle has only one symmetry that divides the angle in two equal parts. That is the symmetry of 90 degree is 45 and 45. Angle has one line symmetry. Angle has one line symmetry. Similarly, there is also a rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry means after having rotation they will have the identical shape. Like in English alphabet, in English alphabets, H, I, X have also rotational symmetry. In geometric figure, equilateral triangle, has three rotational symmetry. Means from this point, after rotating it 3 times, you will get the same figure. Third one, square. Square has 4 rotational symmetry. And there is circle. How many line symmetry may have in a circle? Circle has so many rotational symmetry as well as so many line symmetry. Circle has many line symmetry and many rotational symmetry. As well. If you are discussing of symmetry, then we must discuss of regular polygon. Regular polygon. we should discuss about regular polygon. What is regular polygon? Before discussing of regular polygon, I will discuss of polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a closed figure which is made by line segment only. Then the regular polygon having same side and same angle. Like equilateral triangle, like square, and if there will be four sides, then this polygon will be square. And what we say of polygon having five sides? Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means geometric figures which have five sides and all the five sides are equal and all the five angles are also equal. Similarly, regular hexagon, all the six sides are equal and all the six angles must be equal. Regular heptagon or septagon. Regular means all the seven sides are equal and seven angles are equal. Regular octagon, regular nonagon and regular decagon. And if you not include here regular, then they will have only sides, not equal sides. That is pentagon means only closed figure having five sides. But I will say regular pentagon means a closed figure having five equal sides. And what is the important role of this regular polygon? Any regular polygon have same number of rotational symmetry and same number of line symmetry. As equilateral triangle is a regular triangle. That means it has three sides and three angles are equal. Thus, it will have three rotational symmetry as well as three line symmetry. Similarly, in case of square has four sides and four angles that are equal. Then square will have also what? Four line symmetry and four rotational symmetry. In case of regular pentagon have five line symmetry and five rotational symmetry. Okay. What are the main points of symmetry? Two halves that have exactly the same size and same shape are called symmetry. In English alphabets, one line symmetry A, B, C, D, E, K and maybe other. English alphabets which have two line symmetry H, I, X. English alphabets having no line symmetry P, Q, R, J and maybe other one. O has many symmetry. Circle circle has infinite number of line symmetry as well as infinite number of rotational symmetry. All the regular polygon has same number of symmetry as their side. And I think you have completed this chapter. If there will be any problem, you will ask. Okay, bye.